Oxygen as a service providers we work with in Nigeria, Uganda, Kenya, India, and Tanzania have improved oxygen availability, patient care, and cost predictability across a variety of settings. However, scaling these services is challenging, as they are operating in contexts where oxygen systems are complex and often fragmented. We are here to share some lessons we have learned from this group of businesses and to highlight how these services can be tailored for context and adapted for wider impact.
With cost being one of the key drivers towards the processes of expansion, maintenance has to be reduced in terms of how we can ensure our processes are guided towards reducing that specific cost.
The key is to choose sites with enough nearby demand from multiple facilities. This allows an oxygen service provider to share costs like maintenance, training, and transport across many customers. Without that, the cost per facility can rise quickly. That's why it's important to expand in areas with enough demand and build up one region before moving to the next. Technology helps make this possible. Remote monitoring and virtual support reduce the need for technician visits. With a little guidance, local staff can fix small issues themselves, keeping systems running and downtime low.
One of our facilities that is quite close to our Mbarara hub, where we installed a pilot remote monitoring system. What happened is we monitored this facility, the oxygen consumption, the purity, the functionality of each concentrator, and we must say that we're able to predict failure of this system even before the failure came up. So that ensured that a technician was able to move in earlier before the report was given.
These tools also make it easier to manage clusters of facilities, even if they're a bit more spread out. And they work best when paired with the right equipment. Choosing the right oxygen system for each facility based on its size and demand is key to keeping things efficient and affordable. When oxygen service providers are strategic about expanding to new facilities and use the right mix of equipment and technology, they can grow in a way that keeps costs low, quality high, and oxygen flowing to patients who need it most.